Welcome back once again to another sandwich Saturday. Going to keep it really simple today. We're going to do some chorizo or salami if you want, and some cheese. You can use any cheese that you want, a cheddar, an Emmental, something like that. Let's get moving. Okay, 4 slices of bread for 2 sandwiches. As you can see, I've lightly buttered them. So these are the outside. So let's flip that one over and let's flip this one over. Let's get some cheese on there. Let's then get some of our salami or chorizo, whatever you want to use, on there. And then one more slice of cheese to kind of sandwich it there. And then the bread, lift it up, butter facing up, butter facing up. Let's get these in our grill. Okay, very simply, I'm going to lift them up, put them on my grill, or sandwich maker, whatever you got there. We're going to close that down, maximum heat, about 3 or 4 minutes. You know what we're looking for. It's going to be super. Okay, let's jump in. It sounds like it's going crazy in there. Wow, wee wee. That cheese is coming out a little bit. That is looking absolutely beautiful. Let's get those on the board. And then we're going to cut these bad boys open. Looking absolutely fabulous. They sound fantastic. Let's get these cut open. Incredible, incredible. Super hot. Check that out, lovely. I am loving that. Loving that. Beautiful. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. See you later.